Hi fellow investors, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss and analyze about a company which is in the business of entertainment as well as in television channels. We have a very big news in this company that this company is going to merge with Sony in near future, where the process is already taking in a place. The reason that I am doing this video is because I see a very strong potential breakout in this company which is going to be happen in a week time. If we enter exactly just before the breakout, then we could able to gain more in profits in the future, which is going to be more than 30% in within 6 months of time. This video is divided into 3 chapters. One is the fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and the chart patterns. In chart patterns, I am going to take you into my system and I will explain you where exactly that we need to enter into the stock, where we need to book the profits, and where we need to keep the stop loss as according to the candlestick patterns, buyers and sellers psychology, support and resistance levels, and the trend line patterns. Please make sure you watch this video completely so that by end of this video you have a clear picture on this company as well as on this stock, where exactly that you need to book the profits and how long that you need to travel to gain more in profits with a proper valid logic. When it comes into the fundamentals of this company has a market capital of 16,000 crore, which is in number 1 position in the entertainment as well as in the TV satellite channels. As I said, like, this company is going to merge with Sony in near future, where the process is already taking place right now. This company's dividend which is more than 1.5%, and this company has a very good book value as well as a face value. This company has a good shareholding pattern, which where both the foreign institutional investors as well as the domestic institutional investors are heavily invested into this company. But the only problem when it comes into the fundamentals of this company is this company is not performing good on a quarterly basis as well as an annual basis from the past 3 years. This company is continuously giving a negative results from the past 3 years when it comes into the revenues as well as the growth as well as the profits. And this company's sales growth as well as the profit growth and the return on equity is decreasing on a year by year basis from the past 5 years. So if you ask me, this company is not really good when it comes to the fundamentals of this fundamentals analysis. But when it comes into the technical analysis, I see a very strong bullish pattern which is going to break in a week of time. So if we enter exactly at a right price, we could able to gain more in profits and move out from this stock within a very short span of time. When it comes into the technical analysis, this company stock is continuously in a downtrend from a longer period of time, which is almost like more than 2 years. But currently this pattern has broke with a heavy volume and which is trying to sustain that pattern and move in a new higher zones. So when we enter right now exactly into this stock, we could able to gain more in profits in the future. Let me take you into my system and I will explain you with the help of chart patterns, buyers and seller psychology, where exactly that we need to enter into the stock and where we need to book the profits. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe my channel so that you will get a notification whenever I post any videos on breakout stocks as well as value investing stocks by explaining with the help of technical chart patterns as well as with the fundamental analysis. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind.
Hi fellow investors, welcome back to the channel. The stock which we are analyzing today is Zee Entertainment Ltd. If you see the chart on my screen, this chart is a weekly chart. You could able to see it clearly that this stock is continuously in a downtrend from a longer period of time, which is almost like from 2 years. Currently, this stock is trying to go in a positive zone with a heavy green candle with a heavy volume, which is almost like 98 million volume in 1 week. If you see this chart on my screen, this candle is a very big bullish candle which try to broke a strong reverse trend line, but still it couldn't able to sustain due to the selling pressure on this company. If I go back this chart from a week to daily chart, if you see the chart here clearly, this candle has already broke a very strong reverse trend line with a heavy volume, which is almost like 49 million volume in 1 day. But if you see the candle over here on the next day, which is today, this candle is again went into this reverse trend zone, which means that there is a huge fight in between buyers and the sellers, and the buyers are trying to make this stock to move into the upper zones by breaking this strong reverse trend line, but the sellers are trying to make this stock again into the same reverse trend line. The best entry for this stock is going to be here, which is almost like 178 rupees. The reason the best entry over here is like this line which I have drawn is a very strong support zone. If you see the chart on my screen, and I'm just moving the chart again into a weekly zone. If you see this line, which is where I see a very strong support zone where more number of buyers are accumulated into this company, which where this is the best entry price, which is going to be exactly at 178 rupees, and the stop loss is going to be exactly below here, which is going to be 165 rupees. 165 is a safe stop loss, so we could able to avoid the fake outs. So the best entry is over here, and the target one is going to be exactly here with 240 rupees. See, when this stock is going to go and break this reverse trend line, which means with a heavy volume and again with a heavy buying zone, then this stock is going to go and reach as a first target, which is going to be 240 rupees, and the second target of this company is going to be exactly here, which is going to be 283 rupees. So make sure you keep this stock under your radar and enter exactly at the right price and book the profit. Just wait for some more time to retrace this stock exactly into this zone, which is going to be here, which is at 178 rupees. I'm sure that this stock is going to go and retrace again into this zone and will oscillate in between these parallel lines, and then will give you a huge breakout with a heavy volume and a heavy green candle, which has already tried over here, but it failed and couldn't able to sustain due to the high selling pressure. So make sure you keep this stock under your radar and enter exactly at the right price and book the profits. Please consider subscribing my channel so that you will get a notification whenever I post videos on breakout stocks as well as value investing stocks as per my technical analysis. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind.